You are welcome to your fun and easy learning site Mr. Asks Me Anything. This is the 12 questions of the channel, and the question is differentiate between investigation, inquiry and trial. If you want to watch the previous 11th question of the channel, then please click the I button or go to the link given in a description below. Before coming to the main answer of the questions, we need to understand that a person accused of an offense is tried under 3 stages, namely investigation, inquiry and trial. You need to remember that section 2H and 2G of the Criminal Procedure Code define investigation and inquiry respectively. However, Criminal Procedure Code doesn't define the term trial. Here, investigation according to section 2 subsection H of the Criminal Procedure Code is to be conducted always by a police officer or another authorized person other than a magistrate. It includes all the proceedings under the code for the collection of evidence. In other words, the police officer conducts investigations and collects evidence for the purpose of inquiry and trial by the court. Inquiry and trial are conducted by the magistrate or court for determination of any questions. Inquiry means every inquiry other than a trial conducted under this Criminal Procedure Code by a magistrate or court. Whereas trial is a proceedings which involves examination and determination of a cause by a judicial tribunal which has a jurisdiction over it. It is a judicial process which ends, that is, which completes in convictions or acquittal of the accused. Inquiry refers to determination of any questions other than guilt or innocence, while the trial refers to determination of any questions relating to guilt or innocence. Here, let us see, under section 2, subsection G defines inquiry. Inquiry means every inquiry other than a trial conducted under this Criminal Procedure Code by a magistrate or court. The court has not defined trial but can be understood as judicial determination of any questions relating to guilt or innocence of the accused. To make your answer more clear, let me make a table of distinction of these 3 terms: investigation, inquiry and trial. Look to the table and let me explain. Here, investigation is a first stage, inquiry is a second stage and trial is a third stage. Then you can also understand that investigation is conducted by police officer or an authorized person other than magistrate. In inquiry, it is conducted by court or magistrate. Trial, it is conducted by court or magistrate. In a second point, section 2 subsection H of the code defines investigations. In case of inquiry, section 2 subsection G of the Criminal Procedure Code defines inquiry. And in the case of trial, trial is not defined under the code. In a third point, investigation, purpose of conducting investigation is to collect evidence for inquiry and trial. And the main purpose of inquiry is judicial determination other than guilt or innocence. But the purpose of trial is judicial determinations of any questions relating to guilt or innocence. In a fourth point, investigation is non-judicial proceeding. But inquiry in a fourth point is a judicial or non-judicial proceeding. That is, it depends on the systems of inquiry. Maybe it is a judicial or may not be a judicial proceedings. But especially in case of trial in a fourth point, it is a judicial proceedings. In the last point of distinctions about investigation, it ends with police report or charge sheet. That is the final report of the police. And in the case of inquiry, the accused is charged or discharged. Now, in case of trial, it always ends with conviction or acquittal. Basically, here discharge means an order given by the magistrate that there are not enough grounds to lead the proceedings further against the accused, while acquittal is a verdict in the criminal case that the accused is not guilty of the offense, which means a discharged person can be rearrested and committed for a further inquiry, while a person who has been acquitted cannot be arrested for the same case in which he has been acquitted by the court. Thank you for watching Ask Me Anything. Please do like, share and subscribe to support my channel Ask Me Anything. Your one subscribe will give me a new platform of teaching. If already subscribed, then thanks for your subscription. And press the bell icon to get interesting questions and latest updates.